Hello everyone and welcome to a brand new Python video. Today I will solve you a question with you, okay? And if I have like two lists here in the Python, write it, and I am trying to find the common element in this list. What can I do? This is a beginner level of exercise in Python, and I will use a function. I will not define a function, but I use like a function and define a method for this function. So first of all, of course, I need the lists, and I don't have this right now, so I will just write here the name of the list. I can choose it. So for example, L, and I can just write here some values like to choose like 55, 66, 88, 99, and that's it. And for example, I have another list, what will be L in lowercase, and it will be written 22, 56, 68, 99, 100. And if I just apply the set here in one of these L, like in lowercase l, and I apply the method what is intersection here, and in this intersection I will use this set, the set in L uppercase, and now I close the brackets. So if I enter here, I will see 99 and 22. Just like in mathematics, we have intersection in functions, and intersection in function is the same value in the both functions because we have a common point, a common element. So this is the same. Python works well with mathematics, and this is a beginner level, introduction level exercise for Python in Lisp. So I will do more videos about it, and that's it. Thanks for watching.